Welcome to the protein function prediction section. In this section, we are going to predict a function of a protein sequence. So, if you submit a sequence to this protein structure function prediction servers like PFP server or code function server, it will predict the probable function of the protein. This module or this tool become vital when you are not knowing the function of a protein. When you are not knowing anything about the protein, by using this protein function prediction, we can almost predict what type of the protein is. By using that prediction, we can go for further analysis and we can identify and annotate about the newly identified protein. So in this way, this tool is used to identify the protein function. So there are two tools we are going to use for this purpose. So first one is going to be a prod fun tool. How we are going to use it for this. So as usual, to run the tool, first we have to go to Google. And then you type prod fun tool, and it gets listed. And you go to the server. And then for the server, you have to paste the sequence in FASTA format. So you copy the sequence and you can paste here, and then after pasting the sequence you can submit the sequence. And the importance of the server is that it will give output in a short period of time, whereas in the case of the other server, what we are going to use, PFP, it will take a little bit more time. It will send its output to our email ID, and it will take a much longer time, whereas this server provides output in a little lesser time. Okay, so this is how we can predict function of the protein. This prod fun tool will provide its output in 4 categories, that 4 headings it will give. The first heading, we will see what is the cellular role of the protein. The second part will gives about whether the enzyme is the protein is enzyme or non-enzyme. Third part, within the enzyme, what is the class of the protein. Then the fourth part is the gene ontology part. Okay, so this is how the output of this prod fun server will provide the cellular category and the enzyme category, the enzyme class, and then gene ontology. The most predicted part is indicated by this arrow. You can see now this protein is almost presented in the envelope, and then it is almost an enzyme, and within this enzyme it does not have a significant class. That's why we are not having any arrow. If you see the value, it is almost in the category of hydrolase status, and then in the case of gene ontology category, it may have the role of cation channel point, but if you see the probability score, it is very less score. So it is not that much significant prediction is given from this prod function server. So once you again predicted the prod function through this tool, you can save the result. So like this, we can also predict the protein function by using the protein function prediction server PFP. You can use PFP is another protein function prediction server. As I told, this server takes a little bit time to predict the function of the protein. So it is also very much similar. You have to paste your sequence and then you can submit your sequence. And then see, it gives only the status points. So it will take much time to predict your result. But if you want to know how this particular output is going to be, then we go to this PFP tutorial. From this we will see the output format of this server. This is the input part, and when you give an input, you will get an output like this. This is the output when it is running. After it is completed, you will get a result like this. So this result will contain again 3 parts: molecular function term part, biological process term part, and then cellular component term part. So these are 3 tables are given as an output, and they are also given in different colors, the outputs. when it is given in red color, it is highly acceptable one. If it is in slight orange or yellow color, it is acceptable up to this range. Whereas moderate confidence is given in green color and low confidence blue color, and then less than 100 the score it is getting it is given in a black color. So this is how we can identify acceptable range of the points which is predicted through this PFP server. So this also gives the functions as well as their biological process, what is going to carry out, and where it is located. So these are the three important aspects derived from this PFP server results when compared to prot function, and this takes a little bit time to predict the protein function. The output of this server will be like this. So even we can submit our email ID to get our result to our mail. So that is the better option with the help of this PFP server. It is better you can give your email ID to get your results to your mail. You can simply give your email ID. For giving an email ID, you have to create an account. Then only you can able to give an email ID to this particular server. So this we are concluding about the protein function predictions. Thank you.